Hello guys, today I want to quickly demonstrate you one package called Laravisit to track your pages and understand your users' behavior. And this comes from my tweet actually. Recently I've posted who wants a video demo of their package or package they know, and Osama replied with Laravisit, his own package, which is really simple but at the same time has a few interesting features. So to track your pages, you install that package and you may assign a trait has visits to any of your models. It may be a post, it may be a page, it may be anything. So in our case, I've created a demo project with users to be tracked. So visually I have a list of users, and you may go to /users/1 for example and get into the profile, which will just show the name, but under the hood in the controller show method of that user with route model binding has this user visit, which comes from the package. And in the model, we add has visits as a trait, implements can visit as an interface, and then what do we have in the database? We have 10 users, and we have a separate database table Laravisits, which uses polymorphic relationships, which means that you can track multiple models like users, posts, or pages, or whatever. So it's not just Google Analytics that tracks the pages with the URLs, you can assign the IDs of specific models that were visited. So you track them one by one, and then what I mentioned by interesting features. The package allows to easily calculate the results for statistics. This is what you can track, this is how you customize it for repeating the same IP, and this is what I meant for the statistics. Get popular for a lot of different filters. Popular last days, popular this week, popular this or that, and I've implemented exactly that in the controller. For example, user popular this week get. And this is the page, most popular users, which would show the top users for you, or the top pages, or the top posts, or whatever you use for assigning your visits. A few more configurations in this package, so you may read more about that. So generally a pretty simple package, but totally worth using. If you know any alternatives, shoot in the comments below. And if you want more packages to be reviewed, suggest them in the comments as well. And subscribe to the channel to get all the reviews upcoming in the future. See you guys in other videos.